Welcome to the Ecology and Evolutionary Biology Department at UCLA. My name is Eileen Mansourian, Manager of Undergraduate Academic and Student Services, and I will be sharing with you all key information about one of the largest departments here at UCLA. First and foremost, I'd like to welcome all newly admitted students and families to Bruin Bound 2022. To the students, congratulations on being admitted to UCLA. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy this presentation we have created for you all. The mission of our department is to provide new knowledge of the ecological and evolutionary processes that produce and sustain life on Earth, and to educate the next generation of scholars, professionals, and citizens for the biological, environmental, and biotechnological challenges of the future. The EEB Undergraduate Office is a great source of resources and support for our students. There are 3 undergraduate counselors within the office to help answer questions about major-minor eligibility and requirements, whether other courses can apply to the major, and discussing how you can get involved in co-curricular activities within the department. You are welcome to come during our office hours or contact us through Message Center via MyUCLA. Thanks to an esteemed group of faculty with wide-ranging research, the curriculum within our department ranges from ecology and evolution to animal behavior and mammalogy to marine botany and ecological restoration to everything in between. We have 3 majors within our department: biology, ecology, behavior, and evolution, and marine biology. The biology major is appropriate for students who would like to obtain a broad knowledge of science, as well as for students preparing for careers in the health sciences. The ecology, behavior, and evolution major provides students the opportunity to study the relationships among living beings, their patterns of behavior, and the forces that influence their evolution. The marine biology major focuses on providing students the opportunity to study marine organisms and their environment. We have 2 minors within our department: conservation biology and evolutionary medicine. The conservation biology minor aims to provide students with a greater depth of experience and understanding the role science can play in developing conservation policy. The evolutionary medicine minor aims to provide students with a greater depth of experience and understanding of the integration of evolutionary biology and medical education. A notable feature of our department is our research quarters that are spearheaded by our renowned faculty. These programs are a quarter-long and venture to places such as Peru, French Polynesia, and the UC Natural Reserves throughout California. We have 3 distinct programs: the Field Biology Quarter, Marine Biology Quarter, and Field/Marine Biology Quarter. Each serve as capstone experiences for our students to conduct research with faculty and apply all of their academic training to a unique hands-on learning experience. Each program also serves as an opportunity to fulfill requirements for our majors. Many students arrive to UCLA with the goal of pursuing a pre-health academic track. Pre-health students are undergraduates who are aiming at professions in healthcare, including medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, veterinary medicine, or optometry, to name a few. All of our majors help to complete a majority of the pre-health requirements, but some students will need to complete additional courses required for admission to their professional school programs. We recommend meeting with an academic advisor to review how the courses overlap between major and pre-health requirements once you have started at UCLA. Whether you have already decided on your major or are still deliberating on which to choose, it is important to ask yourself, what do I know thus far about this major? What aspects about it interest me? How does this connect with my academic, professional, and personal interests? Our department aims to provide students with a scientific background to pursue a career of their choosing. There are many careers our alumni have pursued, including, but not limited to, academia, health fields, forensic pathology, conservation work, and veterinary work. Now let's hear from two students about their experiences within the EEB department. To start, tell us about yourselves.
Hello, my name is Asila Brown, and I am a fourth-year biology undergrad.
Hi, I'm Andrew Evans, and I'm an ecology, behavior, and evolution major.
Why did you choose your major?
I chose biology because it was my favorite subject in high school, but I decided to stick with it because of the broad array of upper division courses that the biology major has, as well as it being a great major for those interested in pre-health or pre-med.
Well, basically, I really like nature and animals, and I like knowing about like the big connection between things, and I feel like that's what this major, at least ecology, really gets at.
What has been your experience with research and mentorship?
I've been in a wet lab as well as a clinical lab. My wet lab was an opportunity that I got through work study. However, my clinical lab was an opportunity that I got by joining a health club that was in the nephrology department. So our research focused on pharmaceutical developments for those living with kidney-related diseases. And that's also how I found my mentor. The PI of the club and of the clinical research became my mentor. But other mentors that I found through the UCLA alumni program, just messaging people on LinkedIn, as well as reaching out to professors through email.
So I have research experience now in two different labs. One of them studies animal behavior in marmots, so I've done work on campus on computers, doing video work, as well as actual kind of wet lab stuff, sorting through fecal samples. But I also have gone into the field during the summer in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado to be able to like trap the marmots themselves and see how they are in the wild. And I'm also in another lab that studies bone morphology and evolution, so I've gotten to check out some dog skulls both in person and on the computer and working with them like that.
What are your post-UCLA plans?
So ultimately, I hope to obtain my MPH or become a physician's assistant and work with the community to address health disparities.
At least my current state is looking into something with sustainable agriculture after I took this conservation bio class. So taking some internships after I graduate and then going into some actual graduate school for sustainable agriculture later on.
Any advice for our future Bruins?
So I would use your first year to really explore your interest as well as kind of fill out all of the different clubs and organizations that UCLA has to offer. But some great resources that I have found are AAP and the peer learning sessions, as well as the Student Activity Center, and then just looking out for your department's announcements that they'll send you.
Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you at UCLA in the fall. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via the following link.